So guys, here is a more Python video as me came, and in today's Python video I'm telling about in the Python what are literals in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about this restart you and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel and do not get you all the notification bell also, so you never miss our any future related videos about the Python. So without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's know about in the Python what are Python literals. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, here is here one more word I mean came out of the Python, and in today's Python video I'm telling you about the literals in Python. So yeah, let's talk about it, what are literals in Python. So let's learn about it. But first of all, let me do one thing. Let me come on it here. Okay, one. Okay, now perfect. Now let's learn about what are literals in the Python. Let's talk about it. Literals are data types used to represent and fix the values in Python. Okay, they are often assigned to variables or used directly in code. Python supports the following types of literals. First type is string literals. Now let me explain you something and then I will become on the code. String literals. String literals are sequences of characters enclosed in single, double or triple quotes. Like in this is the example here, you can say, let me copy it. Let me go on my Visual Studio Code and let me make a one file. Sorry, not let me create a window, then file. Now let me create a file, and my file name is I'm giving index.py, and I'm making this file on my documents, create file, and yes, paste. This is the single and double quoted strings. Okay, here you can see this is the single and double quoted strings. This is the triple quote strings used for multi-line strings. Now let me copy it, let me save it and run it. So now it gives me the output hello Python, hello world. This is the multi-line string. Like that you can make the multi-line string. To make a multi-line string, you use the triple quoted strings. Means like first of all you give the your variable name, like I am giving the multi-line string. I am giving this name to my variable, and then to do this only you write that and write this is my multi-line string. Hello Python, how are you? Now save it and run it. So now here you can see it, give me this a multi-line string. Here you can see it. Like that you can create it. Or if it is okay, it is not printing because I do not write print multi-line strings like that. Now save it and run it. So now it give me this is a multi-line string. Hello Python, how are you? Like that you can make your multi-line strings in the Python. This is called the string literals. Now number 2, numeric literals. Python supports integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers as numeric literals. Like in this example here you can see it. Let me copy it and let me paste it. Here this is the integer literal. Okay, this is the integer literal. It is the floating point literal. Okay, and this is the complex number literal. Complex. Now save it. Sorry, where it has been gone. Okay, let me make a one file one more time. By the mistake I pressed the wrong button. Now save it and run it. So it give me 42, 3.14 and 2 plus 3j. Why it is giving me in the first 42? Why? Because it is the integer. Number 2, it is giving me 3.14. Why? Because it is the floating point, means that it is the decimal. Okay. Then here it is giving me 2 plus 3j. Why it is giving me like this? Because this is a complex number. Okay, like that. Like that you can do it. And this is called the numeric literals. Okay. And now Boolean literals. Boolean literals represent the truth or values and true and false. Like this, or this is the Boolean literals. Here you can see it. Now save it and run it. So it is giving me true and false. So you can read true and false. Why? Because this is a Boolean literal, so that's why it is printing me true and false. And I have also wrote here true and false. Number 4, special literal none. The non-literal represent the absence of a value or a null value. Like this is the one example. This is a non-literal. Okay, let me copy and paste it. This is a one non-literal. When you save it and run it, should give me none. Why? Because it is the non-literal. Okay. Number 5, literal collections. Python supports collections like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets as a literals. Like in this example, copy it and then paste it. This is the list literal. Okay, where this is the list literal, and like list is all make in the square brackets, like all people know. Then tuple literal or make in the double rounded brackets. Okay, you all know. Then there's a dictionary literal, and dictionary always make like this, and set literal is also make in the curly brackets, always save it, and it should give me there's a list literal, then this is the tuple literal give me, then give me dictionary literal, and then sets literal, like that. This is called the literal collections. Number 6, numeric based literals. Python allows literals in different numeric bases like binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Like this is one example here, you can see. Let me copy this example and then let me paste it. Let me remove this line, and then now perfect. Now this is the binary literal. Okay, binary literal 10 in decimal. Okay, then this is the octal literal. In this octal literal, the 10 in decimal. Then this is the hexadecimal literal, means 10 in decimal. Now saved in, and it should give me output 10 10 10, like that. Here you can see it. By using these literals, you can represent various data types directly in your Python code using these literals. Okay, but I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video, I told you about what are literals in Python, so I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, also please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notifications bell also in our server any future related videos about the Python. So I'm using next lesson, next video, I'm using like that type of videos of the Python. So for today, goodbye.